Assalamu alaikum. Today's video, we're going to be looking at zero IQ laws from all 50 states. So if your state's in here, let me know what your dumb law is. We're going to be reacting to these right now.
Yo, low-key, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea why I said 50 states. It's more like 35 in this video. I don't know what happened, but yeah, enjoy it.
All right, guys. So we have this list. All right, starting with number 1, Alabama. It's illegal to drive while blindfolded. Why in the world would you do that? All right, next we have Delaware. Okay, and in this beach called Rehoboth. What is that? Well, whatever that beach is called.
Apparently, it's pronounced Rehoboth, something like that. I have no idea.
It's illegal to change your clothes in your car. Your mother. Okay, Idaho. Idaho Falls. Anyone over the age of 88. Goodness gracious. Anyone over the age of 88 is forbidden from riding a motorcycle. Bro, can we push that age back to like 40?
Low-key, whatever I'm saying here doesn't even matter. I'm just hecka pissed that my audio is just so bad this video.
Age of 80 is crazy. All right, Indiana. It's illegal to sell cars on Sundays. Bro, we can't afford cars any day of the week. Well, I can't. All right, Iowa. In Mount Vernon, it is illegal to throw a Red Ryder onto the highway. What is a Red Ryder? Well, y'all could keep that Red Ryder, bro.
All right, guys, future case are here. I did some research, and apparently a Red Ryder is a BB gun. Why would you throw that onto the road? I have no idea.
All right, Kansas. No tire screeching. It's considered a misdemeanor with fines and jail time. No tire screeching. Boy, you should come see my state. What are you talking about? Louisiana. A woman's husband must wave a flag in front of her car before she can drive it. I don't believe this one. Maine. It is illegal to buy a car on a Sunday. Bro, that's boring. Michigan. It's against the law to sit in the middle of the street and read the newspaper. Bro, I mean, somebody must have done this, you know? Like, isn't there a saying that like all laws are written in blood? Right? There must have been an idiot in like 1966. Minnesota. Driving a truck that leaves mud/dirt on the road is a public nuisance. Bro, some of these are just so lame. All right, Mississippi. In Oxford, it is illegal to honk your horn because... Oh, it doesn't say why. Oh, it says, in Oxford, in Mississippi, it's illegal to honk your horn because it might scare horses. Bro, screw the horses. What are you talking about? Like, why are there...
I'm low-key editing this back, and I take back everything I said about the horses. I love horses. They're hecka cool. Don't mind what I just said.
Missouri, you can't honk somebody else's horn. How are you going to be able to... How are you supposed to honk somebody else's horn? You're supposed to reach over to the other side while you're driving... Montana. Unless you have a chaperone, it is illegal to have sheep in your truck. Who is going to be the chaperone? I thought adults were chaperones. What do you mean a chaperone? It's illegal to have sheep in your truck. Why would you have sheep in your truck? Bro, who is making... I can't... Nebraska. Drivers must drive with caution near mountains. But there are no mountains.
Apparently, Nebraska actually does have mountains, but they're not like big actual mountains. They are... I mean, y'all could read this, bro.
A lawmaker must have had a vision the night before making this law. New Hampshire. It is against the law to inhale bus fumes for euphoria. Hey, man. Say what now? Haram. All right, New Jersey. Frowning at a police officer is illegal. New Mexico. Illegal for cab drivers to pull customers into taxis. Bro, what is this horror movie-esque thing, bro? What you mean you like standing in a corner and out of nowhere somebody drags you into their car and like they force you? What kind of torture method is that? New York. New York.
All right, bro, you can't lie. I literally hit that like the singer, bro. Like, I would put it on, but it might like be copyrighted music, but you know what I'm saying.
Okay, disrobing in your car in Sag Harbor is illegal. Where is Sag? Disrobing in your car. Goes to the goon. What reason would you have to disrobe in your car, bro? All right, North Carolina. It is illegal to play in traffic. What do you mean play in traffic? Play what, though? North Dakota. Putting a penny in a parking ticket machine is illegal, bro. I just did that yesterday. I ain't gonna lie. Oklahoma. Reading a comic book while driving is illegal. Well, okay. I don't think anybody reads comic books nowadays. Probably some people. All right, Oregon. You must yield to pedestrians when driving on the... Oh, what? What are you talking about? You must yield to pedestrians when driving on the sidewalk. Bro, there's so much that doesn't make sense. I'm not even going to question it, bro. I don't care that much. Pennsylvania. Must stop every mile at night and wait for livestock to clear. Must stop every mile at night. Bro, if only I knew how long a mile actually was. Right? You could tell me, like, I could tell you how many feet. Are in a mile. Wait, I'm so American right now. I'm super American right now. 5,280 feet in a mile. Ya Allah. Rhode Island. Oh, this one's a good one. Illegal to race horses on highways. Now that actually sounds like fun. I'm not gonna lie. I would love to do that. But I want to be the one riding the horse, bro. Forget the car. I want to be like one of those like nomads or something like that, and they have a bow and arrow. All right, South Carolina. Unlawful to store trash in vehicle in Hilton Head. Hilton Head or Hilton Head? In vehicle in Hilton Head. Bro, I don't know what that is. South Dakota, you can get a license at 14. Oh, shoot. I guarantee you those 14-year-olds will be better drivers than these old people that are still allowed on the roads. Oh, that's license at 14, bro. That's kind of heat. I had to wait till I was 16. Man, what a time to be alive. 16 years old, prime Fortnite. Bro, they don't know about that. At 14 years old, I was still playing Fortnite, man. Hey, bro, I'm low-key unk. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta go do not disturb. Hey, stop calling me, boy. All right, Tennessee. It is illegal to shoot whales from a moving vehicle. In what situation are you gonna be able to seek a whale from your car? You know what I'm saying? Oh, from a moving vehicle. It could be any vehicle. Oh shoot, bro. It could be those jet skis, bro. It's like it's Call of Duty. Speaking of Call of Duty, man, I miss BO3, man. Utah, birds have the right of way. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not stopping for a bird on the highway. But you didn't hear from me, though. You did not hear from me. Okay, I don't really care about that. Vermont, cars cannot backfire in Rutland. Bro, what is Rutland? Forget the cars cannot backfire, bro. What is who's naming these places? Rut? That's a horrible last name. Virginia, woman may not drive unless husband waves flag in front of car. I reread this, bro. Don't piss me off. All right, we're almost done with this list. Thank God, bro. These lists, bro, some of these laws have been just stupid and boring. All right, Washington. Criminals must call police when entering city limits. Bro, it's like that one meme of SpongeBob when he was looking for himself. This is so stupid. West Virginia. Legal. Not illegal.
All right, I'm gonna give you guys some backstory. The reason why I had to repeat the word legal is because whatever was coming next did not match the start of the sentence. Like, what you mean it's legal? Like, bro, just watch the video. Like, I was so dumbfounded.
Legal to eat roadkill. Ish. Wisconsin. Bicycle riders must keep hands on handlebars. Y'all just bored, bro. Wyoming. Must close gates over roads. Must close gates over roads. What do you mean? What do you mean must close gates over roads or face fine? Must close gates over. What gates, bro? Over roads. What does that mean? What gates are you gonna close if there are no gates or face fine? Bro, you could find this booty could do it. All right, I'm done. If you guys enjoyed that, let me know. That was the dumbest loss I've ever seen in my life.